Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. But will you do it when no one's watching? I went to Planet Fitness. I try in the morning to do a little bit of a lifting schedule. And when I'm there early, I noticed that there was a young lady that was going by and she had a little duster and she was dusting down each piece of equipment. Now, I know darn well that no one knew she was doing that. She was too far away for them to see. But I could really tell that she was going to do each one because that's the kind of pride she took in herself. She wasn't looking to get rewarded for it or was worried she was going to be caught not doing it. At least I didn't get that feeling. I think she did it because she wanted to do it because she takes pride in herself. That's who she is. Well, you know what? I don't care if you're a cleaner, a supervisor, or a cleaning business owner. What will you do when no one's watching? That really is the measure, because that's the kind of thing that will keep you motivated no matter what. If you're getting punished, rewarded, those kinds of things, you're going to do something because you know it's the right thing to do. I don't care if that's your health, your business, how you treat other people, how you do your work like I talked about. That really comes through, and I think that's what separates the folks that maybe don't succeed as much from those who do. What will you do when no one's watching? Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.